careful as possible.
Yeah, whatever. Batman, come here! You gotta see this guy! Who is it?
It's kind of that guy. Well, I know for a fact that this clown isn't friendly. Let's go take him down. Wait, where'd the other one go to?
Ah, there you are!
Maybe I can kill you a little less painfully. You can't get rid of me that easily. And I've just pushed Selena Kyle out that window. And to be honest, life's better without a secretary, you know? Mm-hmm. Ah! Perfect.
Who's laughing now, punk?
Wow! Wait, who is she?
Look, over there! That guy just fell off a building.
I know who he is. He's that Shrek. We know the only person who also came off the building. What? How did she just disappear?
Before we find her, we have to get to what the real case is.
Do you know anything about the robots that Crane used? Oh yeah, I sent them to him. They're Santa Prisca prison bots. Santa Prisca? I know that place. We should go to it right now.